Assalamualaikum students. Hope you will be fine and keeping yourselves safe. क्लासेस ऑफ होने से पहले हम सॉफ्टवेयर पे डिस्कशन कर रहे थे. अब इन स्लाइड्स के थ्रू हम इस टॉपिक को वाइंड अप करते हैं. Software is very essential for a computer system because it manages all the processing related issues in a computer system. A software is a collection of programs. It is said to be the collection of programs, and a program is a set of instructions written in programming language. Software is of three types: system software, application software, and utility software. This image summarizes our discussion. It is showing types of software and their examples. Here we will learn what is a system software. A system software is designed to operate, manage, and control all the processing capabilities in a computer system. System softwares are programmed in low-level languages because they have to interact with the hardware at very basic level, very low level. System softwares serve as interface or medium of communication between the hardware and the end users. They are developed by the computer manufacturers themselves. Here are some features of a system software. As we know that system softwares are designed and developed with low-level languages, and they interact with the hardware directly, so they process very fastly. They are smaller in sizes, but they are very difficult to understand, manipulate, and design. Now we will be learning about application software. An application software is designed to facilitate the end user. They are particularly developed for some specific tasks. There could be a single program working as an application software, or it could be collection of programs, also called as software package. Some examples of application softwares are MS Office, your media players, internet browsers, calculators. There are so many application softwares in a computer system which we use to enhance or uh, create many things like letters, presentations, play movies, songs, etc. Some features of application software: they are very user friendly, easy to easy. They are designed very easily. They are designed as to work with the end user. They are very interactive because of their design and functionalities, but they are somewhat slow because they have to be processed through the system software. Generally, this application softwares are written in high level languages and can be manipulated easily and require a much storage space than system softwares. Last type of software is utility software. They are designed to work with the system software as performance enhancers. For example, antiviruses, disk management systems, and file management systems. These all work with the system software and enhance their performance a bit. A utility software can be said as cross between a system software or and application software because it works as both. We download it or install it as an application software, but with it works with the system software, so we can say it is a cross between them. Here are some examples of softwares. Operating system is the best example for the system software. All kind of general purpose softwares are in the category of application softwares like Microsoft Office, Management Information System, NADRA verification system, uh, you can say Facebook, social media applications, payroll systems. These are all application softwares. Some of the utility softwares are antiviruses, disk management tools, and file management tools. These work with system software to boost the performance of a computer system. That's all from the software. I will be presenting a new topic very soon. For any queries or questions, you are free to ask on the comments or contact with me on the given contacts below. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.